Hello. Yeah, I need to come in today. Yeah. Okay, can I come in around 12:30? Perfect. Thank you.
So, what brings you in to see us today?
I seem to be having some weird urinary stuff going on, so I wanted to see what that was.
Any pain?
No, it's just like my pee sounds different.
Okay. Well, first we'll start by listening to your heart and, looking at your chest and things like that.
Okay.
I know exactly what this is.
What is it?
You have explosive gonorrhea. This is the 5th case I've seen this week. Can't be using those cheap headphones.
Beats by Dre. If you don't have a pair, you probably have an STD. Hey everybody, if you liked the video, could you please give me a thumbs up? It really does help me out. And if you want to see these type of videos every Monday, you can go down beneath the title of this video and click the subscribe button. Like I said, I make these type of videos every Monday. I have last week's video up here as always, and I'll have another video on this side of the screen as well. You can check those out as well. I'm sure you might like them, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, like I said, thanks once again for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, share the video with your grandma and your grandpa and everybody on MySpace and Black Planet, and see you next Monday. Bye.